Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. We're at 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 308, Providence Lofts. Third floor, studio apartment for rent. Starting our video tour when you walk in. Big closet to my left there. Hardwood flooring, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. All utilities are included. Gas and electric. Big open floor plan here. Plenty of room for full bedroom set and living room area. You fit a full kitchen set here. Refrigerator, countertop and cabinet space, built-in microwave, stove top, no oven, please note. To my right, bathroom, shower, no tub, vanity. I'd like to apply for 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 308, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.